Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphics. Today in this video, I will show you how to remove background in Photoshop. So let's get started. First pick a lasso tool and draw a rough selection of the girl. And now click on select and mask. And after that click select subject and OK. And now click on refine hair. So it automatically refine your hairs. And now scroll down and check mark decontaminate colors and reduce the amount to 40% and hit OK. And now take a soft round brush and brush with white to fix some areas like this area, and you can see this area. See how we can easily remove the background. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.